A very warm welcome to your weekend weather forecast here from the Mother City. On Saturday morning, light rain possible along the eastern escarpment, but then northwesterly winds blowing over the western interior, causing bergwind conditions to quickly heat up these areas. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable, so please stay hydrated, drink enough water, don't leave your children or pets unattended in a hot car, and seek shade during the hottest time of the day. From Saturday afternoon, a band of fog moving in from the west, sitting along the western and southwestern coast, with isolated thunderstorms in parts of the Northern Cape as well as around Lesotho. In these areas, we are expecting an average PV harvest with this yellow dots coming through, but a very poor PV harvest over the extreme eastern part of the country due to cloudy weather on Saturday. Looking at our rainfall map, we can see the isolated thunderstorms possible in parts of the Northern Cape and Northwest, also around Lesotho and the bordering areas of the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. Light rain still possible in KwaZulu-Natal with drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Mpumalanga and Limpopo on Saturday morning. On Sunday morning, foggy conditions remaining along the western and southwestern coast, with foggy conditions now over the western interior as well as along the eastern escarpment. But then from the afternoon, another sizzling hot day for the western interior, but a weak cold front now sliding south of the country. Behind that cold front, a ridging high will bring an onshore flow of air to the southwestern parts, with the southeastern now pumping yet again in the Mother City. Also cooler conditions now expected in those areas. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms possible over the central part of the country on Sunday. We can see isolated thunderstorms in parts of northwest, the Free State, part of the Karoo and the Eastern Cape, as well as Gauteng and Limpopo, but becoming scattered around the eastern escarpment in KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Some of these thunderstorms can become severe, produce large amounts of small hail, damaging winds, and a quick heavy downpour, so please be careful. That onshore flow of air bringing showers from the afternoon to the southern coast as well as the adjacent interior, and some light drizzle possible along the western coast due to the foggy conditions. Looking at our winds this weekend, on Saturday, northeasterly to easterly winds blowing fresh to strong along the eastern coast, with light winds expected in the Mother City and northwesterly winds picking up over the western interior. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires over big parts of the Northern Cape. On Sunday, that weak cold front sliding south of the country. Behind it, an onshore flow of air expected here to the southwestern parts, with the southeaster blowing fresh to strong from the afternoon in Cape Town. Southwesterly winds along the western coast, with westerly winds expected over the western interior. Looking at our temperatures on Saturday, extremely hot conditions expected here in the west. In this dark red shade coming through, temperatures in the upper 30s, and along the southern coast, it will also be extremely hot with 32 the afternoon in George. Warm conditions expected in the east with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, 27 the afternoon in Pretoria. On Sunday, another sizzling hot day for the western interior. A bit cooler now along the southern coast due to that onshore flow of air, with 25 now in George, but 37 the afternoon in Uppington. Also a few degrees warmer now in the east, with Mbombela reaching a high of 27. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend.
The Stage Zero Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.